5 electric spray bottles you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Dash Electric Butter Sprayer, 2 ounces cordless butter sprayer for popcorn, toast, entrees, and more. Pro Chef Blue. Number 2. Olive Oil Sprayer Dispenser for cooking, food-grade glass oil spray transparent vinegar bottle oil dispenser 100 milliliters for BBQ or making salad, baking, roasting, grilling, frying kitchen. Number 3. New Style Oil Sprayer for cooking, olive oil sprayer, 100 milliliters olive oil spray for kitchen gadgets, bean butter sprayer, oil sprayer mister for BBQ, air fryer, roasting, grilling, baking, salad. Number 4. Atomizer Sprayer Nano Sprayer Gun Portable Electric Spray Machine Intelligent All-Spray Bee-like Disinfectant Sprayer suitable for offices, schools, restaurants, families, hotels, or gardens. Number 5. Electric Plant Sprayer 0.5-gallon watering battery rechargeable automatic plant mister spray bottle with adjustable spout, wireless, extended metal nozzle for pump-free, 2,200 mAh battery. Subscribe to see more items. Links to items in this video are in the description. Thanks for watching.